Everybody, it's the welding machine. It's official. My down there, but I ain't gonna let y'all see that. That's official. There's my label. Alright guys, today's project is this truck bed. Gonna rig it out. There's the top right there. Had took it off. It took 2 people to take it off. That was a struggle. C6 C10. Yes, the shop is dirty because I've been working hard. But that's what we got right here. You know, let me get a pan view for you guys. That's what it looks like. I got new tires. New tires is right there. Those bad boys are gonna be put on there. The Lincoln welder is gonna be put on the back of the bed. We're gonna paint it with bed liner and whatnot. That's the tires got on there. It's losing there. It's got a few rust spots. That rust is. Other than that, we're gonna clean all this crap off. We're gonna mark it out. We're gonna cut some holes. Update the Lincoln. Got new stickers coming in. Got a new faceplate coming in. That cost $80 for a Ranger 10,000. It's aluminum. I don't know when that's gonna be in, but when it's in, you guys will be the first to know. And this is gonna be rigging out a truck bed trailer. Rigging it out. Let's do it and stuff. So here's the welder we're about to pick up. It is a engine hoist. Oh, engine hoist. Which means we're about to do something that I haven't seen on YouTube. How to pick up an engine drive if you ain't got a gantry crane. Raise it up a little bit. We're gonna push it in. Yeah, I'm touching here. Or these wires up. Sure, you can put it in. That's good. Almost back up. I got jack stands underneath the bumper. And that is how chicken is made. Alright y'all, that's how you do it if you ain't got no crane. I don't know if y'all seen all of that, but well, oh, you good, you know. What's up everybody? It's the welding machine, coming to you guys with a video. First part of the welding rig, we took the top off the welding rig. We took the top off the canopy, off the camper shell, off the top of the trailer bed. And first things we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this jack right here. So we got a new jack I got from, I think, Track Supply. It was on sale for, let's see, it was on sale for $25. 2,000 pound jack. It's a Bulldog. It's kind of like the top winch welded on swivel jack. So I got that. We got to cut the old one off. We got a little bit of art, well, you might say gouging out the weld so we can knock it off. I got it on jack stand right now. Alright y'all, we pretty much just turned on the lights. I'm gonna set the new trailer jack to the side. Got the blade on. Start running. really good. That way I can get a nice overhead weld on the bottom. Kind of rusted, but I'm just gonna get. Alright y'all, this weld machine, we got it's slightly windy, we got it range of 10,000, we got it set to about 145. We're not going to use all of it, we're going to probably put it on, fine tune it to about a 7 or a 6.